What is up, guys? It is Zach Plochet, and I wanted to make a video that pretty much is just the title. Basically, I'm going to do a challenge that I actually started doing before, but I had to stop because of the Ukrainian-Russian war, the war that Russia started when I was living in Ukraine, and had to cut it short at about like 60, maybe 70 something videos. So I'm going to do at least the intention is to do a 100 videos or one video a day challenge for 100 days. And just to sort of get back in the flow of making tutorials or other sort of videos that I've been interested in making, like maybe interviews for some of my tech friends or musician friends or whatever friends. So, yeah, that is my intention, and I'm going to start that basically today, or I should say tomorrow. I might actually record another one for today. But I'm wearing this because I just got back from Brazil. So, a little life update. I was in Brazil for a month, and then I just now came back to Portugal. So, yep. Anyways, just a notification video. And, yep, I'm going to start doing that to slowly get better over time with quantity. That's the intention. With that said, thank you for watching. And until next time, bye for now.